Do you want to hang out with me, please? Oh, but you're so cute and little. Okay, rude. All right. Hey all you cool cats and kittens. That was really stupid. So today is actually my birthday. I took the day off of work because a month ago I didn't think I'd be alone quarantined in my house. But that's where we're at. I thought of just getting day drunk, but I thought that was kind of like really depressing. Don't get me wrong, I'm still drinking. It's really carbonated. I'm such a child. Anyways, I decided that I thought it'd be fun to do a craft while I have the time because I refuse to be bored. Yo, dude. Okay, so one time my cousin and I were counselors at this like sports camp and we were in the break room and because it was like out of school and we were like going through these like teen choice books or whatever and we opened up to a page that was all about boredom and it was like really negative. It was like boring people are bored. Don't be a boring person, and we thought it was really funny. So that was a really bad story. Alright, I'm gonna light a candle because I'm zen as fuck. Ow, I feel like I'm gonna burn myself. Ow! There we go, we got it. So much better. What were we doing? So for this edition of Quarantine Crafts, I decided to tie-dye the sweatsuit I got off Amazon. It's like really oversized because I just got like, I think I got a large of both, but they're men and I like forgot. I don't know what I was doing, but it's all good. Did I say it's with bleach? I'm really unorganized. Yeah, we're gonna tie-dye this with bleach because I researched it and it's really fast and like it doesn't look that hard, so that's what we're gonna do today. All right, I'm going crazy. Okay. Oh god, that's so obnoxious. We're still drinking, dude. It's still my freaking birthday. So as far as supplies, I have bleach. I think I'm gonna cut it with some that sounds like drugs. I think I'm gonna water down the bleach with some water so it's not as vibrant of like a tie-dye. I have an old shampoo bottle that I'm using to dispense because it has a little hole because I don't have one of those squirty things that everyone seems to just have laying around. Some rubber bands to like divide so I can make like a cool design, and obviously the sweatsuit and an open mind. Alrighty, so sorry, my phone's blowing up. It's my freaking birthday. So I read the instructions for this a while ago, but I'm not gonna keep checking my phone because, like I said, obviously my phone's blowing up because I'm popular and stuff. It's like pretty cool. And I hate myself. Okay, yeah, I thought I'd just like go off memory and see how it turns out. So first I'm going to first I'm just gonna dampen? I'm gonna wet. This is such a struggle. I'm gonna get the sweatpants wet so the bleach can kind of like soak in. So I'm just like rinsing them with warm water. After I got this sweatsuit wet, obviously, I filled up my little shampoo bottle with some bleach. I would say like 3/4 of the way full, and then the rest up with water. After that, I did my little twisty pattern that I just like remember doing when I tie-dyed as a child. I know you can do different patterns, but I thought this was the easiest way, so I just went for it. And then I put the elastics in like a pie form to divide them so I knew where to put the bleach. And then I had to kind of adjust them a little bit because I put them on a little crooked. We are dealing with bleach, so I put on gloves just to be safe. And then I just went like triangle by triangle, saturating? Ooh, that kind of sounded scientific. I like skipped a section. That makes sense if you like watch it. Flipped it over and tried to match the same triangles that I did on the flip side. Then with the pants, I kind of didn't really care to have a design. So I just divided them into sections and kind of like randomly put the bleach. Like I skipped sections, I guess, but like there was really no rhyme or reason. I was kind of just like hoping it would turn out cool. So that was my logic there. So depending on how vibrant you want the bleach to be is how long you want it to sit. I don't really want it that bright, so I'm just gonna play with my dog for a sec and be back. So after about 10 minutes, I liked the way the bleach looked. You can leave it on for longer if you want like a brighter orange. And so I removed all the elastics. God, that took a long ass time. And then I just threw it in the wash with cold water, and then the dryer on low, I want to say. Could have been medium. Honestly, I don't think it would make a difference. And then this was the finished product. I was pretty excited about it, so I had like a full-on dance party. And please just skip ahead, I don't know, 10 seconds if you hate this. So this was low-key like stupid easy, but yeah, I had fun. Yeah, well, I had fun. Did you have fun, boo? Do you have vibe check, dog? Do you want to hang out with me, please? Oh, but you're so cute and little. Okay, rude. All right. So yeah, this was like stupid easy. I will link everything in the description box down below so you guys can try it at home, because like it took me like maybe 10 minutes. And half of the, I mean, I guess it took me more than 10 minutes because 10 minutes is like the development time, but whatever. I hope this was mildly entertaining for you to watch. Please subscribe for more mediocre content and wash your hands. Bye.